Our chairman, Sir Augustine F. Pinto, strongly believes in excellence in education and all-round development. Keeping this in mind, the RAND group of institutions has taken an initiative to send the children of RIS Kundanahalli to the International Institute of Hotel Management, where they learn not only how to prepare a variety of dishes, but also learn about hospitality. Let's see what the students in the IIHM management have to say about this workshop. So how do you think that this workshop will help these students?
These students are quite raw at this age. They don't have any idea what I'm going to do at the end of class 12. Should I go for engineering? Should I go for being a doctor? Should I become a pilot? Or whatever questions like this. So this time we have given them a chance. We have called them in a particular kitchen and we have given them a chance to understand this cuisine, this course, and they'll get to know the idea of a life of a chef in the kitchen. So they can formulate their ideas, what they're going to do at the end of class 12. So we are giving them a complete chance to form their career, what they want to do in life.
Do you think students will opt for the hotel management as a career?
Definitely. Hotel management as a career is one of the most booming careers nowadays. Even on television you see people are very much interested in shows like MasterChef and MasterChef India, MasterChef Australia, Khana Khazana. There are many programs on TV. So, and you can see many more movies coming nowadays where the hero is like a chef, right? So this particular career is on the boom.
Which dishes are you preparing?
Minestrone soup, apple crumble with chocolate sauce, and fish Florentine.
Which dish are you working on right now?
Well, we are working on apple crush with chocolate sauce.
So what do you plan to do next?
Well, now we are supposed to add sugar to refined flour, and then we are supposed to put it in a bowl, and after that we are going to put some chocolate flakes on that.
Which one are you working on right now?
We're working on the soup right now. It's supposedly called the garbage soup. It's very interesting to work with. I mean, I think we're just, tasting how sweet it is, how much more salt we need, all of that.
What are you planning to do next?
Next will be the final stage of the sauce, which will be the milk combined with onion and cloves.
How do you think that this workshop will help these students?
Basically, since we have already done this kind of workshop with other schools and colleges also, as well as for your school we have opened it. What I understand is that for those students who have really not thought of what they have to take up in the future, this might enlighten them to understand a hidden talent in them, to understand that they can choose this as a career option, as well as they can learn some tips from the chef. At the same time, this is a once in a lifetime kind of experience for these students, because not always they get such an exposure to come into a kitchen of a hotel management college and learn something new, learn something interesting that your generation students, your generation children like to eat as well.
Well, this kind of a workshop is to give the students an insight on another career opportunities. These days, most of the students, especially in Bangalore, are looking at the boom of the IT industry. However, not too many of them are really interested in studying engineering and taking it up as a career option. So, this kind of a workshop is just igniting, just telling them about choices in the hospitality industry, and it's not that the hotels is the only choice that they would make after doing a course like ours.
Do you think many students will opt for hotel management as a career?
It is a question of personal interest, first thing. Second thing, since this career is hyped a lot today because of various programs like MasterChef India, MasterChef Australia, therefore already the students have thought of it as a celebrity option, or getting into a celebrity, becoming a celebrity kind of an option. So at the same time, it, as I told you, it is a personal choice to make.
Yes, I do believe so. I do believe so. Reason being, not only because we are doing this kind of a workshop, there is a lot of awareness now, even from the TV media, after people watch programs like MasterChef. Whether MasterChef, whether it's the international one or the Indian one, and there's so many cookery shows where chefs are now, I feel, getting the importance that was due to them.
As Virginia Woolf once said, one cannot think well, love well, or sleep well if one has not dined well. I'm sure many of the other students at IIHM would agree after learning and preparing 3 different dishes. Like the many other activities RAN has conducted, this one has been a huge success, and I'm sure the students are leaving with a happy mind and a full stomach. I'm YJ Shreya Rathore, and until next time, bon appetit.